We've got a killer 1970 El Camino. It has the SS with a 396 under the hood, and surprisingly, there's a 4-speed in there between the bucket seats. This thing has been nut and bolt, body off frame restored. The underside is just as glossy as the top side. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where we have a price tag of every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option to make it real easy for you. If there's a car you really fall in love with, click the Buy It Now button. That just locks it up for you while you're thinking and talking to the salesman about it. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next video is going to be posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I said body off the frame. It's just as shiny underneath. We'll get to that in a moment. But let's talk about the body. It's amazing. You know, silver is kind of a hard color to spray. It's got so much metal flake in it, it can get blotchy and cloudy. Not the case with this one. All the metal flake is laid out evenly. The clear coat is polished like glass. So actually, let's talk about the body first. Arrow straight. I mean, I don't care how fussy you are. If you've been a body man all your life, you're going to look at it and say, yeah, it's straight. It is not a wave. I couldn't find a bubble. I couldn't find shrinkage or signs of body work, cracking. I didn't find anything to tell you guys about. All around here, all smooth, right down to the very bottom. Oh, a little dirt splash there. Clean, smooth metal. All lines up and fits real nicely. No door dings or dents. The hood lays flush. Fits real well up here. This can be tricky. I've told you guys before. Fits real nicely. And if you hadn't noticed yet, this is an actual cowl induction system. So getting back to the paint, it's stunning. It is code 14 on the tag, Cortez Silver, no vinyl top. The stripes are smooth to the touch. And yeah, the paint is just gorgeous. All of the trim sparkles. So the bumper, the bezels, the grille, the emblems, the moldings, all the stainless, the anodized trim around the, it's a little hard to push. This anodized trim is replaced. Of course, the mirrors, the handles, all the trim around the bed is, I mean, it's stainless steel trim around the windows, but it's polished like chrome. This car is just like wet and shiny. Even the wheels, they're 15x8 rally wheels, and look how bright and shiny the trim is. Got some real nice BF Goodrich tires. The back glass is new, the windshield's new, all the rubber seals, weather strips, they've all been replaced. Tail lights, bumper, has the blacked out panel as part of the SS Big Block, but all this stuff is just absolutely beautiful. Tail lights, I already said that. So the outside of the car is stunning. It sits nice and proud. Let's open it up, show you the inside. Inside the bed of this is even glossy and wet looking. It is absolutely clean, straight metal with the same Cortez Silver and a wet clear coat. You're not going to want to haul anything in here unless it's cotton balls or pillows. The tailgate works real nice. The cables are new. The bottom of the tailgate's all nice, clean, rust-free metal. Shuts real nice. Yeah, the driver's door opens real easy. The passenger door, the button's real hard to push in. Everything's in alignment. The door shuts nice, but the button's hard to push. Yeah, it shuts real nice. So if you buy it, tell the salesman Jay said to have that looked at. Door jambs are painted slick. They're even wet looking. Weather strips are replaced. All the door panel, armrest, window cranks, that's all new. The entire dash area, the vents, the instruments, the dash pad, the heater control panel, all of this is very nice and clean. There's an owner's manual. Retro stereo with an auxiliary port, and has kick panel speakers. New carpet. Floor mats say El Camino SS. The seats are nice and cushioned. It's a factory center console. A little bit of staining on this aluminum right here. It has a Hurst shifter. Behind the seat, there's some custom auto sound speaker boxes with tweeters, all nice and clean. They've added some retractable three-point seat belts. The headliner looks new. The dome light's working. The mirror looks new. Visors look good. That one doesn't want to stay up now. Deluxe steering wheel. So the motor compartment doesn't let us down either. It's all detailed up real nice. That is a correct 396 block. The casting number is proper for this car. It is stamped CE on the front. That means it's a warranty block. But it's all stock. The manifolds, the carburetor, the complete cowl induction air cleaner system. There's even an electric door in there that's all hooked up. Has a stock distributor. Firewall's all painted real nice. All is clean. It's bolted down. Has the ribbed hoses, spring clamp battery cables. All the metal is smooth and clean. The right radiator cap, the right shroud and clutch fan. Power steering, power brakes. Squirters are hooked up. Has an under hood lamp, hood insulation. Got both horns. Very nice. It's running real good. It's not warmed up yet. It still runs nice. Clutch has no chatter. A nice car. Now the cowl induction doesn't open until you really smash it. It's moving slightly, but you gotta really lose vacuum. That's when it opens. So body off frame means just that. They removed the body from the frame. Now the underbody, everything was removed from it. All clean metal, the braces, the floors, all looks beautiful. And it's painted all Cortez Silver with the clear coat. So even the underbody is shiny. Now the entire frame and chassis was taken apart and prepped and painted a semi-gloss black. Meanwhile, all the suspension and steering was all rebuilt or replaced, including in the back. It's KYB gas shocks, all redone. Fuel system was replaced. The brake system was all rebuilt. New brake lines, e-brake cables. Has a dual exhaust system. Was replaced. And I think it comes out behind the tires. That's where the El Caminos are supposed to come out. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The starter still has a tag on it. It is a Muncie 4-speed. All that looks clean. We spent a couple grand servicing this car, now I think about it. And I know we rebuilt the shift linkage, replaced the shifter rods. The rear end is an original 12-bolt 331 posi, coated and dated to this car. So that's the original rear end. So yeah, this is a $100,000 restoration these days. And aside from that, a big block, cowl induction 4-speed. I mean, you'll pay 40 grand for one of these that needs a restoration. So we're not asking anywhere near what that adds up to be. I think this is a great value. Someone will be very happy with this El Camino. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this to your door, how to get it financed. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.